Ever feel like you have a closet full of clothes but nothing to wear? Do you struggle to remember what you own or how to put it all together? Meet UByDesign, the app that turns your physical closet into a smart digital wardrobe. It's your personal stylist, organizer, and outfit planner, all in one. Adding your clothes is a breeze. Just snap a photo or import from your gallery. Our smart AI instantly removes the background, so your items look perfect. You can even import multiple items at once and add details like brand, season, or price to have cost per wear calculated. Now for the fun part. Let our AI be your personal stylist. It suggests complete, stylish outfits based on color theory and your own collection. Found an outfit you love? Save it and add it to your built-in calendar to plan your looks for the week. Organize your closet any way you want with custom tags, categories, and styles. Need inspiration? Explore the community gallery to find and import outfits and items shared by other users. UByDesign helps you get more value out of what you already own. By creating new ways to wear your clothes, you are not just improving your style, you are supporting a more sustainable approach to fashion. And your privacy is our priority. Your data is never collected or shared. Personal styling, once a luxury for the lucky few, is now accessible to everyone. Download UByDesign today and bring your style to the next level.